Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to lock Honda Ridgeline Tailgate full guide. Start by locating the tailgate handle and checking for the keyed lock or latch release. Next, remove trim as needed, use a flathead to access the internal latch, and depress the locking pawl while testing the handle. Finish by applying lubricant, reassembling trim, and confirming the tailgate secures and unlocks smoothly. Begin by lowering the tailgate and peeling back. The inner trim panel clips to expose the latch cavity. Use a flashlight to identify the latch assembly, connecting rods, and any electrical actuator. If the Ridgeline has a manual lock, locate the pawl that prevents handle travel. If equipped with an actuator, look for its wiring and mount. Gently operate the linkage while observing the lock engagement to understand the parts you need to adjust. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like to support more practical vehicle tips. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control, strong suction, and smart mapping make cleanup after a tailgate repair effortless. I love how it quiets the dust while I work and saves time on shop cleanup. Check the description for the link and deals, and now let's get back to the video. If the tailgate fails to lock, check striker alignment and adjust the striker bolts slightly until the latch engages smoothly. Tighten loose hardware and replace any worn clips or broken components you find during inspection. For actuator systems, ensure electrical connectors are secure and test the actuator function with the key fob or interior switch. Once repairs are made, cycle the tailgate several times to verify firm, reliable locking and consistent operation.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.